In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a component in Jira. If you want to organize work more clearly inside a Jira project, components are a simple but powerful tool. They help you divide a project into technical areas or functional sections, which makes it easier to categorize issues, improve ownership, and support better routing for incoming tasks. Once components are set up properly, your team can understand much faster which part of the product an issue belongs to. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. After you arrive on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation bar, click on Projects, and then choose the project where you want to add the component. Make sure you open the correct project, since components are created at the project level and won't automatically appear in other projects. When the project workspace loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find Project Settings, then click it. This area contains the configuration options for the specific project you're working in, so it's where you'll manage structure-related settings like components. Once the project settings page opens, the sidebar will refresh with more options. Look through that list and click on Components. This will open the Components Management area, where you can view existing components and create new ones for the project. Next, move to the upper right area of the page and click the Create Component button. As soon as you do that, Jira will open a new input row so you can enter the details for the component you want to create. Now it's time to fill in the component information. In the name field, enter a clear and concise title that reflects the feature area or technical section you want to track, such as Database Core or API Gateway. In the description field, add a short explanation of what that component covers. This can be very helpful later, especially for larger teams or projects with multiple technical areas. Then open the default assignee dropdown and choose how issues in this component should be assigned. Depending on your project setup, you may be able to select the project default, the component lead, unassigned, or the project lead. Before saving, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double check the name for spelling, confirm the description makes sense, and make sure the default assignee option matches your team's workflow. When everything looks correct, click Save or select the checkmark if that's what appears in your Jira view. Jira will then add the new component to the project, and it will be available in issue fields and related project workflows. And that's it. You've successfully added a component in Jira. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you